10 creative ways in which gig workers can make money using ChatGPT. Watch out for these 10 creative ways in which gig workers can make money. Making money by speaking with others is possible with ChatGPT. Why not discover how to make money with ChatGPT? There are numerous ways that individuals are generating money with ChatGPT. It is the best strategy that is highly advised. Please comment below, like, share and subscribe to Zildji's channel now. 10 creative ways in which gig workers can make money using ChatGPT. 1. Earn money as a blogger. Gig workers can earn money blogging, engaging in other SEO strategies, and ranking highly on Google to attract visitors that will enable them to monetize their content through advertising. 2. Earn money as a freelancer. Because ChatGPT makes it quick and easy to create and distribute content to clients, it will enable freelancers to earn more money than they ever have. 3. YouTube automation. ChatGPT can write video scripts that will receive a ton of views in any area as part of its YouTube automation service. 4. For affiliate marketing, the best way to make money is through affiliate marketing, which is also one of the simplest internet companies to launch. 5. Construct software tools. ChatGPT can construct software tools, even simple ones. The user does not need to be familiar with programming or coding. 6. Write product descriptions and reviews. You may also make additional money by monetizing the product reviews ChatGPT has already published. 7. Copywriting. ChatGPT can write your copy for you as well, and you may use ChatGPT to produce quality copies for your customers. 8. Case studies. Just like a story, a case study normally has an introduction, the main body, and a conclusion. 9. Debugging of code. ChatGPT can read, write, and even debug code. Any code you want to be debugged can be requested, and it will be done right away with all the information presented to you. 10. Affiliate marketing on Quora. Using ChatGPT, users can answer a lot of questions on the site, which will increase traffic to their website and possibly lead to more sales of their affiliate products. ChatGPT is not just a tool but seems like a boon for gig workers as it can present to you any query you ask for unless it is unethical. By using this, you agree that the information does not constitute any investment or financial instructions. Do conduct your own research and reach out to financial advisors before making any investment decisions.